Hello, welcome back. Okay, this segment is going to be about a progressive with an outside underarm spin for the ladies, okay? So it is progressive and it is an outside underarm spin. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go from a two-hand hold position. We're going to do a basic first. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Cool? Excellent. All right, let's switch this. Let's go back from this angle. So really it's about ladies seeing the turn and spin, and guys are actually kind of working off of that. So look for this, all right? So here we go. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Nice. Okay, so nice and easy and simple. Kind of get through. And I say simple because basically, guys, you're just moving forward and back, really. All right. The ladies, again, this is a spin. So we do have a drills video on spinning. So go look at that. And if you need more information on the other stuff, probably lesson style videos.
Yes, that really helps to break everything down.
Absolutely. It gives a lot of information going on what happens inside of the spin and so forth. Everything you need to know right there in the one little package. Okay. So go look at it and come on back.